Huge news guys, a leak of the Apple VR new operating system has been spotted recently. Today I want to go over more about this leak and what it means for the future of Apple's new VR headset. I'll also cover a summary about what we know so far for the new Apple's latest project, along with the Apple VR release date and price as well. But let's get started anyway, and first of all, a quick history lesson about the VR headset. So if you've followed my channel for a while, you will know that I have mentioned that Apple are creating some VR and AR devices. The VR device at the moment is being referenced as Apple Mixed Reality, but the other device is more to do with AR, and at the moment it's likely to be called Apple Glasses. But for the mixed reality headsets, we have known that Apple have had big investments with AR and VR capabilities, and the making of this has been reflected in a lot of their products over the last 4 years or so. We have had iPhones that have had AR ability since the iPhone 6s, for example. Then in 2020, this got taken a step further with the iPad Pro and the iPhone 12, where the new LiDAR sensor was introduced, and you guessed it, this sensor is made to help with AR. So as you can see, there's a lot of interest here from Apple, and the next natural step is to make a VR or a mixed reality headset. With that out of the way, let's talk about the operating system for the VR headset. So a leak has come in from Apple, funny enough, in their actual code, and it actually references to the VR headset and to its operating system. A tweet from Matthew Davis has shown it's quite clearly the name of the operating system for the new VR headset is looking likely it's going to be called Reality OS. This might not seem a lot of news about the actual operating system itself, but it does tell us that Apple are working on this new reality headset right now, and it'll also be added to their other OSs, what they own right now as well, including macOS, iOS, iPadOS and watchOS. This will be Apple's 5th operating system for the new headset. With this operating system, we believe it will also have apps specifically just for the headset. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo have also said that the device overall will have a focus on gaming, media and for communication, so that does mean an app store will definitely be needed on this new Reality OS. But as mentioned, the main part to take away is Apple have the VR headsets even in their coding, so it's imminent that it's going to be coming soon. So, just quickly guys, recently this channel got over 300,000 subscribers, what is absolutely amazing. So in celebration of this, I've decided to do a giveaway of this. It is an iPhone 13 Pro Max and it is in white silver and it's a 256GB model option. So recently I've given away a Sierra Blue one when we got over to 300,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be giving away this iPhone 13 Pro Max when we get over 350,000 subscribers. And all you need to do to enter into this international giveaway is just write down in the comments below of what Apple gear you're planning to buy in 2022. Write it down in the comments below, and also at the same time as well, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell, because I'll be revealing who the winner is when we get over 350,000 subscribers via a video, and you won't want to miss that notification for that video. Now quickly, I just want to mention as well, sadly there are a lot of scammers and spammers out there who use my face for example and also tell you to WhatsApp them. This is not me, and I'm afraid they're not giving away any giveaways out there. I'm the only one who's doing the giveaway, and you can make sure it's me by seeing that there is a tick next to my actual name, and also like I said that any comments or anything will have that tick, but the actual giveaway itself will be on that actual video when we get over 350,000 subscribers, not before. Well, with that out of the way, let's return back to the video. Well, let's talk about release date next. So first of all, Ming-Chi Kuo said in October 2021 that the upcoming mixed reality headset had been delayed until the end of 2022 at the earliest, with production of the actual headsets to be made in the fourth quarter of 2022. But then Bloomberg's Mark Gurman also believes the AR or /VR headset that Apple is working on will come out in 2022. The information suggested that an AR/VR headset will be released in 2022, followed by some smart glasses maybe in 2023. But take this glasses leak with a massive handful of salt, as most people are saying it's probably more likely going to be around 2024 or 2025, and I cannot imagine Apple making such a big jump from this headset to the glasses in such a small amount of time within just 1 year. Then finally, as you can see here, DigiTimes says the upcoming AR/VR headset will enter mass production in the second quarter of 2022, with a launch to follow in the fourth quarter. I think you're getting the message here. Everything is pointing towards the fall of 2022 for a release. However, to be announced, it's very possible that Apple will do an announcement at summer's WWDC this year. Remember, in the past, Apple liked to announce a brand new category of product and then release it later, a couple of months later. We saw this with the first gen iPhone, again with the Apple Watch, and then in 2020, for example, when Apple announced the Apple Silicon Macs at WWDC to prep developers to convert apps for the M1 Max that came out later on that year. So it's very possible with this new headset that Apple will do the same move here, announce the product, developers get on board, build some apps, and then finally it gets released some months later. So next, let's quickly talk about price here. Well, other popular headsets from say PlayStation VR to the Oculus Quest 2, when they first were released, they started at prices of around $300 to $400. Obviously you can get this less than now, but when they first came out they were around that price. But I'm afraid in a traditional Apple fashion, it looks like it'll probably be more for Apple's headset. Remember, before I say the price, we get all those features I mentioned already, plus more. And in fact, this is also a mixed reality headset, so this device will be class leading. So with that in tow, Min Chi Kuo has suggested that the starting price will be $1,000 US. Yup, I know, this is a lot, but do remember, if Apple are making a mixed reality headset, that they will do it very well. Remember, the best leading smartphone, smartwatch and tablet, for example, in the world right now comes from Apple. And before Apple even made these devices, touchscreen PDA phones, touchscreen laptops that could be converted into a tablet, and touchscreen watches were out before Apple came along and did it better and changed those categories. Then also remember, Apple, after redefining these categories in that way that we rely on today, that loads of other companies that were making devices very similar to Apple before decided to change their direction to make their products more like Apple's versions. So in a way, don't think this is just an expensive VR device, it's a mixed reality device, and it's very likely that Apple will change this category completely of how we actually use VR devices today. One quick note, I know today we haven't talked much about the mixed reality features, but if you do want to see what they're all about, do check out my other video about the VR headset by clicking in the top left hand corner right now. But to wrap this up, are you excited about the future of Apple's mixed reality device? Will it be a piece of tech that you'll invest in and get in on day one, or will you let it mellow for a while and then plan to get it a bit later on? Let me know below if you plan to get one. Of course, if we get any more news about the Apple VR device, I will share it with you. Don't forget also, if you have liked this video, to press the like button, and of course to hear the latest Apple news, tech news, reviews and comparisons, please do press subscribe followed by that bell. Until next time guys, I'll see you soon.